And most of these projections, the thought projections and ideas we have, are not really based on true reasoning, logical mind, or calm mind, but they are basically coming from different rumors, right? Different rumors on the street about death, you know. You've been reading too many National Enquirer. You know, that's the problem. So from the Buddhist perspective, as far as I understand, death does not just mean coming to an end, but it also means coming to a beginning. It is rather a process of change, which definitely involves ending. Right? In the process of change, there's definitely ending. There cannot be a change without ending something. So ending something does not necessarily mean negative. It means change. It simply means change. It is neither positive nor negative thing, but it is a reality, right? Reality, change. Death is a part of the deal when we accepted the idea of birth. And so birth comes with a contract to end, right? That's how it is. We've signed that contract long time ago. So whether you sigh with relief at the end of one moment, perhaps a torturous one, or whether you wish it to be continued for another moment, such as a Hollywood happiness, every moment must come to an end. Every moment naturally comes to an end. This is an indisputable fact that we all experience. Right? It's not just a theory. It's not just a religious belief, but it is the fact that we all experience in everyday life. So when this end comes, it does not argue with you. You know, that's a good thing about it. It does not argue with you. There's no room for negotiations, so don't worry about lawyers. And we shouldn't waste our time doing that. We shouldn't waste our time negotiating. Right? End comes without any argument. There's no argument. And this is the way we come in contact with death in everyday life. Right? We can see that. Every moment has a beginning, and every moment has an end. And that end leads to new beginning. It's not just an end, but it is the beginning. Like the end of being a seed is a sprout. An end of being a sprout is a flower. An end of being a flower is a fruit. And so it's the whole cycle that continues. And so to meet death fully, we have to die every day, or every moment, to everything, to your thoughts, to your agony, to your emotions, to your loving relationships, and even to your joy. I'm sorry to say that. You cannot meet death if you don't die every day. And so therefore, from a Buddhist perspective, death is not something mysterious that comes at the end of something called life. But death or dying is a process of change that is happening in every moment in our life. It is a living experience rather than a concept or a theory about something that will happen at the end. However, this ending of a moment is a renewal. And it's only in death that a new thing can come into being. Therefore, in dying every day, there is renewal. There is a sense of freshness. There is a rebirth. Believe it or not. Otherwise, the world would be stagnant, right? Pretty stagnant. Like when you watch some artsy movie, when the scene does not change for a long, long time. It would be just like that, and even longer